Mary and the Quiet Night. Mary lives in a small town where trains pass only once in a while. Most nights are quiet. Most people sleep early, but Mary often stays awake, listening. One evening, Mary hears something different. It is not the usual train sound. It is softer, like a slow song moving through the air. She gets out of bed and walks to the window. Outside, she sees a long silver train stopped near the old station. The lights are warm and golden. The train does not make noise. It waits, like it is thinking. Mary feels curious. She puts on her jacket and goes outside. The air is cool. The street is empty. She walks slowly toward the station. Her heart beats a little faster, but she is not afraid. When she arrives, she sees an old man near the train door. He wears a blue coat and holds a small lantern. "Are you waiting for someone?" Mary asks. The man smiles. "I am waiting for anyone who wants to travel, even for a short moment." Mary looks at the train. "Where does it go?" The man answers. "It goes to places people forget during the day." Mary thinks about this. Then she steps onto the train. Inside, everything is calm. The seats are soft. The windows are large. The train starts moving slowly, without a sound. Outside the window, Mary sees a forest where trees shine softly like stars. She sees a river that flows upward into the sky. She sees a small village where people are painting dreams instead of houses. An old woman sits near to Mary. She speaks gently. This train helps people remember what they lose when they grow up too fast. Mary listens carefully. She looks outside again and smiles without thinking why. After a while, the train begins to slow down. The old man with the lantern returns. "We are arriving," he says. Mary feels a little sad. She does not want the journey to end. The train stops at the same small station where it began. Before Mary leaves, the old woman says, "You can come back when you forget how to dream." Mary steps off the train. The night is still quiet. The train slowly disappears into the darkness, like it was never fully there. She walks back home. When she lies in bed, she closes her eyes, but she does not sleep immediately. She thinks about the forest of stars, the river in the sky, and the village of dreams. And for the first time in a long time, she smiles before falling asleep.